Hi, this is Stacy with WTI. If you are looking to give someone a really unique chocolate gift, then you'd want to go with these Reber Mozart Kugel chocolates. These chocolates are reminiscent of old world chocolates. They have pistachio, hazelnut, with a nougat and dark chocolate surrounding them. The chocolates are all individually wrapped in 12 different foils, really pretty in the box. And if you know someone that is from Europe, they would really love getting these as well because they are direct from Germany. The chocolates have a very rich, decadent taste. They definitely have that note of hazelnut and pistachio surrounded by that wonderful dark chocolate. This gift box would be really pretty for anyone that's looking to add some chocolate into their day, some European fine chocolate taste, and to give them a really nice gift. And that's my point of view.